Pozdrav svima, moje ime je...
Hello, everyone. My name is Dario Zurovec. I am the mayor of Sveta Nedelja and a member of the Croatian Parliament for the Fokus party. A typical day, especially at the end of the year and pre-Christmas period, is one in which we all deal with the budgeting and planning of projects and works for next year, while also finishing whatever has to be completed. We have quite lofty objectives for next year, given the MPO, EU funding, and the fact that we have planned almost 100 million kuna in funded projects for our lovely little town.
Projekata za ovaj naš mali slatki grad. Pa evo, dnevna rutina izgleda zapravo da se probudim.
Well, my daily routine is to get up and massage my feet with a little ball that I purchased in Decathlon, which I use to wake myself up, do some stretching, shadow boxing, maybe some push-ups, do some exercise to get the body ready. I still try to force myself to go for a run first thing in the morning, but I don't do it very frequently, and nevertheless, I believe it's wonderful. I feel like I have a lot more energy throughout the day when I start my day with sports and fun. And I even discovered that health is nourished all day, thus I eat less junk food.
Šrota u sebe unesem.
My dream is to get money for the construction of a school in Stromec. The worst thing for me would be not to get absolutely a single penny. And if they continue with the numerous inspections and reports that we have now on a daily basis. Whatever the corona, we were able to finish all of our projects and some things that had been promised for many years and which had been in the drawer for many years. We were also able to bring to a conclusion such things as constructing schools and roads. The most considerable private investment in Croatia is the one made by the Bugatti Rimac Group. And we will be able to employ over a few thousand people and perhaps create the greatest economic shift in this region of Croatia or beyond. Let's say something that only a few people are aware of. I fled from my music school from my grandfather when I was a 4-year-old kid, and he got frightened. Strangers picked me up. I'd like to remember who they were for honesty's sake, and they were completely fine. They could have kidnapped me for real. And there was one instance when the grandfather went to the cops and claimed he had lost his grandson. The officer tells him, "But it's not my kid. It's not mine either, but I can't go home without him." So there it is, a real-life situation. I wish you much success in the year ahead. To be mainly cool-headed and warm-hearted. Take care of yourself. That way you'll be able to look after others. Try to live a calm life. These past few years have taught us that we should not create too much madness, but we should act sensibly, correctly, and beautifully. And I believe that we have a fantastic future as a result.